Teachers spend hours every week on lesson prep, creating teaching resources. But there is one AI that can do it all and save you a ton of time. This is not a sponsored video, this is based on my own personal testing. They have a generous free plan, and if you want more, if you use the link in the description down below, you will also get a 10% discount. This is Edcafe AI. Click Create New, and now you can create slide decks, teaching resources, lesson plans. You can create flashcards or reading activities, or you can also create a chatbot, sort of like ChatGPT, but it's going to be used your knowledge, your materials to cater students. And then in the assessment section, you can create quizzes, but you can also grade assignments. Let me quickly show you how it works with a lesson plan. So you can write down your topic here, but you can also provide a web page or a file. Let's use Wikipedia's website on photosynthesis. Select Search Google for lesson resources, and then add the standard that you're looking for. So for example, this is English curriculum, GCSE Key Stage 4. And click Generate the lesson. So this is the lesson plan. It is based on the Wikipedia page. It is catered to Key Stage 4 students, so this is what I wanted. And now we have learning objectives, standard alignment, which is really, really important. So this is the alignment with the national curriculum. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. We have the key vocab, some essential questions, additional online resources, Khan Academy, BBC, websites, some YouTube videos, some free PowerPoint slides and worksheets that it found online. And then we have the lesson plan, 60 minutes with the opening look, some instructions, guided practice, independent practice, closing. And then we have differentiated activities by the grade. So we have below grade level, and grade level, and above grade level activities for pupils. We have some assessments, and finally reflections and homework. In the same way, you can also create a slide deck for your lessons, just like this one, based on the Wikipedia website. It is 19 pages long, and it even has a QR code in the end to find this online. I also created a flashcard set. I have a quiz with multiple choice questions and also with open questions. So there's 20 questions here. The first 10 of them are MCQs. What I really like is that here immediately shows me which is the correct answer and gives me the explanation as well. And then I have some open questions with suggested answers as well. And then we have the teaching resources with 5 articles, 5 slide decks, 5 videos, and 5 worksheets for your students, all for free. Then we have an assignment grader. All you need to do is just to fill in this information about what the assignment is about. You can even upload a rubric and you are ready to go. And then you can finally create a chatbot that is essentially going to act as if it was you. So for example, I want the chatbot to provide information on how to write essays. Then it creates a role and objective, guided steps, interaction guidelines with the students, greeting message, and so on. And you can change all of this. Then you can upload files, so then it's going to use this information to explain to your students how to write these essays. You can also select the language and the voice. And finally, you can very easily share this chatbot with your students using this QR code. And above all, we have a generous free plan, so you can test it out, make sure that it works for you and for your students. And if you need more, then you can use the link in the description down below to get a 10% discount on the paid plans.